Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to refer someone using the Lloyds Bank app. First, take your phone and open the Lloyds Bank mobile banking app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom menu. You will see different tabs. Find the tab labeled Apply and tap on it. This section is where Lloyds shows different products and offers available to you. After opening the Apply section, scroll through the options until you find Current Accounts. Tap on this option to continue. This will show you more details related to current accounts and any related offers. Now, look for the option called Refer a Friend. Tap on it. This is the section where you can invite others and potentially earn rewards when they join. Once you open the Refer a Friend page, the app will generate your unique referral link. This link is connected to your account, so make sure you use your own link when sharing. Now you can share this link with your friends or family. You can send it through messaging apps, email, or any social platform you prefer. When someone uses your link and meets the requirements, you may receive a reward based on Lloyds Bank's referral program. Thanks for watching.